This is September 20th, 1921 for century-old news. The relatively new Principality of Albania has asked the League of Nations Assembly to intervene to stop the violation of its borders by the Kingdom of Yugoslavia. The Allied powers having not determined a fixed boundary after the breakup of the Austro-Hungarian Empire into the Balkan states. Republican candidate Thomas S. Crago was elected to the U.S. House of Representatives in Pennsylvania's at-large congressional district to take the seat vacated by the death of Marlon Morris Garland. It has been reported there has been an attempt to bribe witnesses in the Fatih Arbuckle trial for the alleged rape of film star Miss Virginia Rapp, of which she subsequently died of her wounds. British Prime Minister Lloyd George has today replied to Eamon de Valera to Sinn Féin's note asking for a peace conference. It has not been released what was in the note, although it is understood that the British will demand that Sinn Féin renounce their claim to an Irish republic.